Give me some hair on the side, honey. Fried, dyed, and laid to the side. What you mean? Ah. Natural gang. So today is officially February 15th, and I say that because it is 12:48 p.m. I am a night owl, and I have to be up at 8 o'clock in the morning. I'm so excited. But as you can see, I'm taking pins out of my hair. The last time you saw me, I started my first day, which was February the 12th. This is how my hair is looking. Still some sheen, still moisturized. Before I went in the shower, I went in with my own DIY oil and gave a mini massage, but I still kept it in the clips, so all of it is not, I guess you could say moisturized or saturated. So, being that it is the 15th, it's been 12, 13, 14, 15, so probably like 3.5 days since I've like had moisture on it or like put like oil or anything on it. This is how it's looking. Remember how I told y'all no matter what I do with my twists, they get all like crumpy? Yeah, that's it. But I'm gonna go in with my Hair Vital Herbal Tea. Just gonna spray a few spritz. What I'm going to do is go in with my Miracle Growth Oil by Beautify by Chana. Sorry, my hands are wet, so it's hard for me to open it. And as you can tell, it does come like with a syringe, and it drips on its own. But I'm gonna take a few shots of that, and I'm gonna put this on my hair strands because they go in with the other one for my scalp and give a good scalp massage. I'm gonna just twirl it around a little bit, call it a day, just like that. Her oil does have like little seeds and stuff in it, so you have to be careful with that getting in your hair, which is why I squeeze it out in my hand instead of taking it from the bottle and squeezing, like just going ahead with the droplets, because if you're not too careful, they do get caught. But I like it because it lets me know I got some herbal stuff in there, you feel me? Okay, so guys, I'm done with that oil. I'm gonna go ahead and screw this back on because I'm accident prone and I'll mess around and knock it over. See, I know me. Y'all heard that thud. I dropped it right when I was done twisting it. But now I'm going in with the Grow Long Hair Essential Hair Oil Elixir. This is what y'all gonna be seeing me use on my 30-day challenge. You're gonna be seeing me go in with these products and these oils. Now, I don't do these every day. I actually have not oiled my hair. I have not put water on my hair. I have not done nothing with my hair since I did it on the 12th. So that's pretty good for me. I've been wearing wraps. Like you saw, like I had it pinned up and everything. Like I'm doing all that I can to not manipulate my hair, y'all. It is just the most irritating. So I'm going in with my fingertips, y'all. Not my fingernails. I'm going in with my fingertips. Oh, I dropped some oil. We don't waste products around here. But now what we're gonna do, we're gonna clip it back up. So let's see, I can show you guys from the back. So we are all done. We're pinned back up. I'm not gonna look. at the fact that it's frizzy. I'm just gonna wrap it up and tuck it away. 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 But then I also go in with a bonnet on top of that, just in case the little scarf decides to slip off. Then your girl is double secured. Okay, give me some hair on the side, honey. Fried, dyed, and laid to the side. What you mean? But yeah, so that is what I'm going to be doing for the next couple of days. So when you guys see me again, it's going to be, like I said, this is the 15th. So it's Monday. So I'll come back and see you guys on Wednesday. Then I'll be back and see you guys on Friday. And that will be the completion of my first week. Period. Afternoon, guys. Well, evening, really. It is 8 o'clock. It is Wednesday, the 17th of February. As you can see, I have my thermal cap on, the one that gets hot. So what I did, and I'm sorry I didn't film it, but I am a woman of my word. It is Wednesday. I sprayed my hair with the water and the mixture with the herbal tea, different things like that. My hair was like really frizzy and I was afraid that it might get matted. So what I did was, the ones that were frizzy, I redid them. But what I noticed, guys, is that my hair was dry. Even though that I do spray my hair with water every day, it got really dry. The oils that I was using that were really, really light oils, they've been really just absorbing, and my hair was left dry. So what I did was I retwisted my hair with Jamaican black castor oil. I still applied the Beautify by Chana's, the growth hair elixir oil on my scalp. And then I did my scalp massage. But what I thought would help a little bit more was to put some heat onto my hair, good heat onto my hair, by putting this cap on, letting it sit there for 30 minutes or so. As you can see, I do have on my silk cap. I just put that on top of this so that my hair is not rubbing. What I've noticed over the course of the days with me wearing my wraps and things on my hair, what has happened is this part of my head, like my hairline, where my edges and things are like that, is starting to get irritated because it's not usually in wraps every day, full day of work, you know what I'm saying? So it's getting kind of tender. So when I get home, I make sure I take it off, make sure that I'm making sure that there are no bumps, but it is sore. But that's why I had this on. So I'm gonna try to find some more silk wraps. If you know where some silk wraps are, please let me know down below in the comment section so I can check that out, because this is gonna be a long process. But like I said, it is Wednesday. I wanted to come on here, let you guys know what was what, yada yada yada. Once I'm done with this, I'm just gonna put my bonnet on and call it a night. But other than that, I will see you guys on Friday to give you guys an update on the complete first week. What's up, natural gang? So it is Friday. I made it through my first week. I'm gonna show you guys my hair. This is what my hair is looking like. Here's a back view. As you can see, my little three minions. This is what we're looking like, guys. It is very shiny. I did decide to trim my ends. Let me tell you what I have done. I just got home, yay. But I already showered and everything. So while I was in the shower, I added some leave-in conditioner, saw my little straggly ends, and when I got out, I just gave a little curly little trim. Then once I was done with that, I went in with my it's been like 2 or 3 days, so I did go in with my Miracle Growth oil, as well as this on my scalp. Then I just gave myself a little massage. I did wear a scarf earlier today, so my hair is kind of sore in this middle area. And so I don't know if I'm going too hard on my massages, because I am massaging my scalp almost every day for 5 to 10 minutes. What I've learned from my week is that I need to do gentler massages and maybe altering every other day until I can get this area a little back stronger, or if I do it, just don't mess with this area as much. I also noticed that my oils from Beautify by China, they are light oils, so there were days when my hair would be like dumb dry because it would just eat everything up, because I was either, you know, making sure my hair was wrapped and like the heat on my head. So one day I did go in with my, like I believe I told you guys, I went in with my Jamaican black castor oil. So I really haven't had to do it. And then when you do this to my hair, you can see, what I'm saying? You can see the sheen. So that is what I'm looking like. So so far I haven't had any severe itching. I am very proud of myself. I only retwisted the front with the Jamaican black castor oil. So like I said, I didn't do that much manipulation. So I've gone 7 days, guys, looking like a little boy. Okay, I have noticed that from my scarves, because like I said, I've been wearing them on here. They've been irritating my hairline a little bit, so I did make sure to put Jamaican black castor oil on them, and then give myself a break from bonnets, because when I get home I put my bonnet on immediately, because you know, like I'm laying on the couch or something like that. But I'm thinking that I need to give myself some hair time. Let me know what y'all think down in the comments if that's a good idea. If not, then let your girl know what other scarves or things she can use, because right now they're sitting here. And I did see a video on TikTok saying that if you are putting your bonnet like directly on your hairline, that's not good either. And what it's doing at night is it's causing friction. So what I'm gonna try to do is probably find some satin head scarves that I can put on my hair, that I can put like down here, and not have it like rolling up or being an issue. So I'm gonna do some research, but I get back with you guys. But this is the end of week 1. Even, you know, like, that's how it's looking. It is getting dirty. This is what my hair looks like. This is kind of cool though, because I never really do this, you know, like I'll wash or whatever. But tomorrow is Saturday. I'm gonna do my best not to wash it, but what I think I am going to do is, I'm either gonna try to go to another 7 days without washing it, but I'm scared, y'all. I'm so scared, because I'm like, I need to do a deep conditioning treatment, right? So what I'm gonna do going into week 2, I believe what I'm gonna do, instead of using shampoos to strip my hair and all that kind of stuff, I'm going to rinse my hair. Just rinse it with water. Rinse it with water. No cold wash, no nothing. Just rinse it with water. Whatever oils come out, whatever. Massage my scalp. Do a deep conditioning treatment. And rinse that out. And then if the twists aren't coming loose, leave it alone. Okay? That's what we're going to do going into week 2. So it's been 7 days. I'm so proud of myself. Oh my God, I'm so proud of myself. Thank you for coming with me on week 1. Sorry, I'm stuttering. Let me enunciate my words. You heard me? Okay. Thank you for coming on this journey with me for my week 1. I greatly appreciate you guys. I love you guys. We're going into week 2 strong. Strong, okay? Strong. Okay? But love you guys. Be bold, be beautiful, be naturally you. This is how my hair naturally looks. Period. Naturally you. I am Cree, also known as Naturally Cree. And your girl is out. Bye.